First, we're going to clean off any makeup or skincare that you may have on your forehead, just to create a clean canvas for our wig installation. I basically use alcohol. The next thing, ladies, is that we need to protect our skin from the lace gloss. I basically use this aloe vera gel as a skin protector. Next is tinting the lace. Apply a slightly darker foundation or your skin bronzer onto your lace. The reason why I use a slightly darker foundation or your skin bronzer is because most women, we have discoloration on our forehead. So we are going in with some got2b freeze spray. What this does is to lock in the makeup and prevent it from transferring. Now we are going to dry the got2b freeze spray using a blow dryer. Now we are putting on our wig to see how it looks. Then get a flat brush and apply some foundation we used earlier on to mark out the edges of the lace so that you can have a perfect installation. Push back the lace. Next is applying glue. I use this ghost band glue, but you can use any lace glue of your choice. I recommend working in sections when applying the glue to avoid any unnecessary mistakes. And I use this spatula to spread out the glue. I recommend using this spatula because it spreads out the glue evenly. I got this spatula from a nail kit, so you can either let it air dry or blow dry using a cool setting. We're going to apply the second layer. Never apply glue on top of glue that is not clear. So when the 3 layers are dry, put the lace above the glue right here. So I'm going to do each sides of the ears without me talking so that you can visibly learn the technique that I use. I would suggest if you're applying glue on the sides, put some hair clips on the hair to avoid the hair from interfering your application. So after applying each glue on each side and pressing down the lace onto the glue, I'm going to apply glue on every area that did not get the glue. If I pull my head like this, you can literally see some parts are lifting, they do not have glue. So we're going to apply 2 layers, 3 layers, or a layer of glue depending on your choice. You have to be very strategic on how you apply your glue. So basically I'm adding 3 layers on each area. And don't worry about this line because it's going to go away. Spray some got-to-be free spray onto the lace to add more security. Blow dry it halfway and then tie with an elastic band. So I went ahead and tied it with an elastic band. I tied it for 5 minutes. This is 5 minutes after. So to further melt the lace, we're going in with a fluffy brush. Apply a little bit of the foundation we used earlier on onto the brush. So then we shall go in with the Fantasia Spirities. I use the 30% more hold. I spray some on the top of a cover. And I'm going to use my fingers and tap it inside. Now we are going in with an elastic band and tying it onto the lace. This is to further melt the lace into our skin. So basically we are going to blow dry it for 5 minutes, then rest another 5 minutes, then remove off the elastic band. So after the 10 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and remove this elastic band. Guys, this is melted. You cannot tell me this is not for my hair. Like, what? This is my hair. And again, to further melt it into my skin for the last time, we shall again use the Spirities. And also this time, we shall use some styling foam. Putting some foam onto the back of my hand. This is enough. I use this Wella High Hair Foaming Wax. Then you can go in and tie with an elastic band. You can tie it for more 5 minutes or for as long as you want. So guys, this is the next day because yesterday I was so tired and it was night time. But you can tie it for even lesser time. It was just too late and I was tired. So I decided to call it a night. So let me fix my hair and do my makeup off camera and I'll be right back. This is melted AF. And I'm serious, because you can see it. Right and wrong. Can you believe this is a medium brown lace? Thick lace, and the nuts aren't even bleached. The word is wow. Look at this. Oh my god. This is laid. Like, you cannot tell me this is not coming from my head. Like, transparent thick lace, where? Medium brown lace, where? This is my hair. Like, what? I really melted it. Yeah, I did my thing with this lace. These are the finished results. If you think this wig was laid down to perfection, let me know in the comment section. And if you think this video was very helpful, go ahead and subscribe, like, and share with your friends.